Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to make labels with Google Docs in 2025. If you're tired of buying expensive label makers or dealing with clunky software, Google Docs offers a free, easy alternative. Whether you're labeling envelopes, jars, or files for your home office, this method is straightforward and customizable. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs by going to docs.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on Template Gallery in the top right corner. Here, search for Labels in the search bar. Google has updated its templates for 2025, so you'll find fresh, modern options like address labels or product tags. Next, select a template that fits your needs. For example, if you're making address labels, choose one with a grid layout. Now, it's time to customize. Click into the cells and start typing your text. Use the toolbar to format it, change the font, size, color, or even add images for a professional touch. Don't forget to adjust the margins and page setup under File, greater than Page Setup, to ensure your labels print perfectly on standard label sheets. One handy tip for 2025, Google Docs now integrates better with add-ons. Go to Add-ons in the menu. Search for Avery Label Merge or similar tools, and install it to merge data from a spreadsheet for bulk labeling. This saves tons of time. Finally, once your labels are ready, go to File, greater than Download, and select PDF Document for the best printing results. Print them on your label paper, and you're all set. There you have it. Making labels in Google Docs is quick, cost-effective, and fun. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.